Question number 2. Represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. First one. The area of rectangular plot is 528 meter square. The length of the plot is 1 meter more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. So, what is given to you in the question? Area of the rectangular plot is given, that is 528 meter square. I have taken here the length be x meter and the breadth is y meter. Here one statement is given to you. The length is 1 meter more than twice its breadth given. So, length what I have taken as x. So, length is equal to 1 meter more than 1 meter more than, that's why, plus twice its breadth what you have taken as y. Okay. So, x is equal to 1 plus 2y I have formed from the question. You know that area of rectangular plot, area of rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth, that is x into y. Length I have taken as x and the breadth I have taken as y, which is equal to 528. Okay. In a place of x I can write it 1 plus 2y, yes, into y, which is equal to 528. 1 into y, y, 2y into y, that is 2y square, which is equal to 528. So, 2y square plus y plus 528 comes this side, minus 528, which is equal to 0. I have formed the quadratic equation from the question. Okay. Now I am going to use middle term splitting to find the length and breadth. Okay. Middle term splitting. For that, what I have to do? 2 into minus 528. I have to do the multiplication first. That is minus, multiply this one, what you will get? This is 16, 5 and 1 0. Minus 1056 in multiplication I got. So, in addition what you need? Look here, in addition what you need? Plus 1 you need in addition. In multiplication what you need? Minus 1056. Such kind of numbers I have to write it here. When you multiply these two numbers, you will get minus 1056. In addition, you should have what? 1. Like that numbers you have to find out. By prime factorization method, you can find out the numbers very easily. See, 1056 I need. So, okay, 1056. This number is divisible by what? 2. So, this is 5. So, here 2 times, this is 8 times. Again divisible by 2. So, this is 2. 6, 4, again divisible by 2, this is 1, 3, 2, divisible by 2, this is 6, 6, divisible by 3, so 2, 2, yes, it is divisible by what? 2, then you will get what? 11. Now you check. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2 what? 16, 16 into 2 what? 32. See, look here, I have taken these all the 2's. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is what? 32. Yes. Now you take 11 and 3. 11 into 3, what it is? 33. See, if I am keeping 33, this is what? 32. I need, in addition what I need? Plus 1. So, I have to keep, this is minus 32. Now you add these two numbers, 33 plus minus 32. Add up these two, what you will get? Plus 1. Multiply these two, definitely you will get minus 1056. Okay. By using these two numbers, I am going to split this equation so that I will get x and y value. See, 2y square. This plus y, middle term I can split up as plus 33y minus 32y. This plus y I have splitted into 33y minus 32y. minus 5 to 8 as it is equal to 0. See, from this equation, from these two terms, what you can take it out? Yes, y I can take it out. Just take it out. What will be remain over there? 2y plus 33. Yes, and go for this one. Take it out. Minus 16. Okay. So what is left over here? Here 2y plus 33 will be left over. Okay. So write it here. Y minus 16 is one term. Another one term is 2y plus 33. See, y minus 16 is one factor. Another one is 2y plus 33. So equal to 0. So every factor you have to equate with 0. So y minus 16 is equal to 0. So you will get y equal to what? Plus 16. I have to cancel out this factor because you will get the y value equal to minus 33 upon 2. See here x, what you have taken as length. So length cannot be in the negative value. That's why we have to cross this factor. You have to take y equal to 16. If you put y equal to 16 in this equation, you will get the x value also. I have marked this one as first equation. Put y equal to 16 in equation number 1. So that you will get x is equal to 1 plus 2 into 16. That means 1 plus 2 into 16, that is 32. So you will get x is equal to 33. So you get the length is 33 meter and the breadth is what? 16 meter. You have to write the answer at last. Answer, length is 33 meter. You have to mention the unit. It's must. Breadth is 16 meter.